So hello friends, in this tutorial of Power Query series, we will learn about how to remove and choose column in Power Query. How we will remove and how we can choose a column, whichever column we like to choose. So we have a data here. So it starts region, country, products and sales. And our sales start from 2020 till 2000 to 2020. So we have a 20 years of data of sales. So how, if in case like if you have to choose any column and find out sales, so how we can do that? For that, what we need to do in Power Query, go to data and convert this into a table, from table, and my table as a header, and convert this data into a table. And now our Power Query editor open. Suppose we want to choose any column, like we will go here in home tab, choose column, and click choose column. So whichever column we like to choose, we can choose. Like in this case we have selected all. Like if you want to deselect this and select region, country, product, and if you want to see the sales of 2020 only, and press OK. So now we have choose only all column which we required. So this way we can choose column. And if you want to make any change, we go again here this button, and if you want to add any other sale also, like we want to add other sale also, we can add that also. So this way we can choose column in your Power Query. And if you want to remove this, we can remove this also. Suppose we want to go to column. If you want to go to from one column to another, then we go to here in go to column, and from this go to column we can select whichever column we like to go. If you want to go to 2011, we can go there. So wherever we like to go, we can from go to, we can go to that column. So this is the way we can go to different column. And when we will right click over here, so here we have a remove column also, and if you want to remove duplicate also, that is also possible. Remove duplicates column, that is also possible. If you select some column and want to duplicate column from that, that is also possible. And if we want to go here also, if you select this in remove, from here also we can remove whichever column we like to remove. Suppose we choose column sum, choose column, and we select region, country. Okay, so we have selected this. And if you want to remove, so we can remove whichever column we like to do. And if you go there and we want to remove this column, so these column will be deleted. So this is the way we can remove and choose columns in Power Query Excel. Thank you.